So, hello everyone and good evening everyone. So, it's been a while since I made the last live webinar, so here I am back again. I really didn't have time, or let's say I didn't want to make those live webinars because I was a little bit lazy to do them. So, here I am back now. So, for those who are first time there, let me just introduce myself first. My name is Christian and I'm thrilled to be here today for this evening's webinar. I'm a professional trader with 11 years of experience in the market and 4 years of experience as the trading coach. I have dedicated my career to studying the markets and helping others to achieve their trading goals. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or new to the game, I'm confident that you will gain valuable insight from this webinar. So I'm excited to share my knowledge and strategies with you, and I look forward to answering any questions you may have. So this is your chance to ask me anything about trading or my experience. So feel free to ask at any time during the webinar. I can see both chats from those who are texting and using the live chat on TradingView, and for those who are using YouTube chat as well. So what I will do, I will be sharing with you some of my upcoming setups that I believe have the potential to give great returns, and I will also be answering any questions you may have and share some of my recent trades with you. And I really do understand that trading can be challenging and often confusing in behavior, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it can also be extremely rewarding. So that's why I'm here today, to share my knowledge and experience with you so that you can make more informed decisions and potentially increase your chances of success. So I'll begin by discussing the current market conditions and explaining how they may affect my upcoming setups. I will also be providing valuable insight into how I analyze the markets and make my trading decisions as well. So I'll be sharing with you versatile trading strategy that can be applied to Forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, whichever market you want. So the strategy is simple, effective, and it focuses on minimizing your losses and maximizing your profits. So what we do, we focus on big and fast movements that are really giving us a lot of money. So I will be demonstrating you how the strategy can be implemented using the real life examples and live market data, of course. So as you have already see there on my profile, I've been sharing there with you a lot of setups. Those who are following me, you will be automatically updated with any update that I did. So if I will go through all those setups, what we did, how we traded, it's very powerful, and if you understand that, you're one step ahead already. Okay, so today I have shared there with you the USD Chief, for example. This is the buy setup. This is what I do. Okay, this is my setup that I watch, and I will be watching this move to the upside over there. Okay, I do believe that there will be the 1 to 3 correction at least, and then another leg lower. So what else could happen? That this move can go outside of this structure. That will be just the bonus. Okay, if it goes outside, that will be the bonus money for us. So what you have to do, just follow those flags. You can follow it on lower time frame, depend what is your entry strategy, what are your rules. Just follow this move. Okay, this is where I see the most potential on the USD Chief currently. And Oz USD as well, it's a nice sell stop. There is a nice flag. This is the 4-hour flag which I see, and I really do anticipate that we will see the break out of this down trend line. Okay, so I really see and anticipating that we will see the break out of that trend line. So selling over there, it's what I do not recommend you. So anyone who will saw the chart over there, you're too late. You should get into the trade earlier. Okay, because entering on trend line, it's very risky and you can be easily stopped out, and as well you will have as well a bad risk to reward ratio. Your stop loss will not be good and you will not make that much money. Oh, we have a question. Do you know about global trade? No, sorry, I don't know about the global trade. I don't know what you mean exactly with the global trade. Be more specific. Okay, so this is what I will do there with AUSD, and let's move forward. Pound New Zealand, this is what I have posted a few days ago, 2 days ago I think, and it's going nicely, right? So this is the strategy, this is how I do. I'm already in the trade from the top of the structure, and I'm still holding the trade. We'll see what the price is trying to do. I really don't think that the price will stop over there, lose its momentum, and go back for another leg higher. So I really don't see this kind of momentum. At least currently it's not showing any signs. But if it will do so, I will take this trade on the break even and will watch the sell again from the new high. But currently, as I said, there is nothing that is showing an upcoming move. So keep selling. If there will be any lower time frame, nice flag, you can still sell it. Okay, just be careful that you don't sell around the trend line. It's dangerous, and no one should be selling around the trend lines. You can buy because you have more chances, but not in this example. Okay, don't buy on this example, not yet. I will update you if you do so. DXY just extended movement. Okay, so nothing happened. There is just the extended movement. I still see the DXY for another leg higher. This is still the impulsive move to the upside, second and the third move. This will just give us a bigger corrective structure over there. So based on that, I'm still watching DXY, the dollar index, for the buy stop. Based on that, I'm aiming USD for more downside. So those who are watching for the USD as well for sell, stick to the sell stops and give it a chance, right? It's gonna be a nice trade as well. Okay, this is the USD which extended itself, alright? Look at that one, it extends itself over there, and we have to watch it over there. This still can push lower, and it should push lower, right? Based on that DXY movement. Canadian, okay. Excuse me, this one didn't go well. Catch if this one as well didn't go well. This was two bad setups, but never mind. What we have, this one went nicely to the upside. It should be a nice profit. Aussie Cat, what it did, more than a wonderful movement was there as well. It starts to slowing down, so you should either watch for taking profits or whatever. It's your rule. Okay, you have to stick to your rules. My traders know what to do in this kind of the examples over there to squeeze the maximum out of the trade. Okay, so grab the most profits. Okay, and those trades are just the old setups that I've been sharing over there. So if you have time, if you want to see how I'm trading, if you want to see some examples, take a look over there. I've been posting since very long, and you can check them. Okay, we'll see how it works. You can see that we were anticipating this movement, it went up and so on. Okay, so it's more than a nice movement. Okay, so to not waste my time over there, let me share with you what I will be trading, where my focus will be in the next upcoming days. Okay, so DXY, as I have mentioned at the beginning of the webinar, I will be watching this one I'll be watching this one as a nice buy stop over there. If we zoom out, then this is still one huge impulse with a nice corrective movement. It can go for another leg higher, and then it can break down, or it will totally reverse and go to the upside, break that top, and then it will reverse from the top of the structure. So as it stands right now, I will be watching and searching for my buy stops. It really has a lot of potential over there, so keep an eye over there. Okay, right? If you see this potential, if you see the same kind of direction, if you have the strategy, and I don't see any problem to go for this trade, right? So eyes on your USD, it's what I'm watching over there. Okay, so this is my trade, watching it to go down at least back at the trend line, and then I'm expecting that the USD will break out of this trend line over there and extend all the way to this bottom. Okay, back to the previous low. This is what I do anticipate in the upcoming days. So watch it, see what the price will do around the trend line first. Of course, this is where you have to be careful. You have to track it. You have to read the chart correctly over there. Once it will hit this lower trend line. USD chief as well, it's struggling there at the bottom, so it's really important that you understand what it's trying to do right now. Search for your buy stops, and I really see there is a nice potential as well to go back at the trend line. So this will just gives us a nice bigger corrective structure on daily, just a big daily flag, and then the possibility still exists for one more leg lower. But don't wait for this sell. We can go for this buy over there because it's having a nice potential and it's really worth of taking it. So keep an eye, watch it, and see how it goes, right? Aussie USD, I'm already into this trade. I'm watching as well there to go back at the trend line. This will be the minimum what I'm anticipating, and then of course I'm watching to go and break the previous low and extend a little bit lower. So if you are in the trade, great, hold it and see how it plays out, right? DXY will give a little bit speed to that Aussie USD, so it will move faster. New Zealand chief, I'm watching this flag over there development. We'll see how it goes, right? So currently there is some sell stop. If you want to take it, you can take it. Keep your stops reasonable, and next way back at the previous low, it's very possible. So keep an eye over there. I still have a couple of trades there from the top. This is where I have trades, and we'll see how it will goes. If it extends up, I will close with break even, and we'll see what the price will do, and then we'll sell again. New Zealand USD, okay, this is very good chart. I've been buying this one, I've been selling this one, I've been buying this one. Today in the morning I already closed the buy, and I'm watching now for the sell. Okay, sell is my priority now on the New Zealand USD, and we'll see how that plays out. If you have the strategy, if you see the same direction, just go for it, right? There is a lot of potential because I'm watching it just go back to the trend line. That's gonna be the first target. And of course, I really do believe that we will go break the previous low. Okay, nice trades are there waiting on us. Okay, so this one as well, good chart. I've been trading this buy, been trading this sell, been in this buy, and close the buy profits today in the morning as well. Okay, so I didn't see more potential over there, but what the price can do on the New Zealand CAD is that it can extend just a little bit higher. Okay, so this possibility to extend a little bit higher exists, but don't chase that buy. Okay, I really do not recommend anyone to chase that buy because sell has the most potential over there. Okay, so if you compare these two movements, this one against this one, you're probably not blind, and you can see that sell has more potential. So stick to the higher time frame moves and the bigger moves, and you will not have any problems. Okay, so stick to your sell stops, keep your stop losses reasonable, and go for the trade. That should be easy chart, easy profit over there. Aussie CAD, same there. Okay, I've been selling it already. We'll see what the price will do. It will probably crack, go back at the trend line, and here's where we have to watch it. If it breaks down, congratulations, we'll have a nice trade. It will extend all the way at the previous low at least. So now it will probably struggle. Okay, we don't know what the price will do over there, but we have to track it and see what is it trying to do right now as it stands right now. Aussie New Zealand as well, there is where we've been selling. Okay, this is our sell. We took a sell over there. It's already at the previous around the previous lows, so we have to keep an eye over there. Will the price now struggle and reverse to the upside, or it will just start breaking lower? Okay, nobody knows, but we have to watch it and see what the chart will gives us. Here New Zealand as well. Okay, so here it is. That's my trade. Very nice example of my trade, and I'm still holding it. We'll see what the price is trying to do. I'm aiming that the Euro New Zealand will go at least back at the previous trend line. So what it can do as well, it can go even lower. Why? Because this could be a nice flat for more upside then. Okay, so that's what can develop from this movement. Okay, very nice and big movement can develop over there. This looks like a corrective movement. This could be a nice running flat, break the top, so this could be finished. Corrective movement 1, 2, and 3 to the downside, break the top, and then go higher. Makes a lot of sense, so worth of taking the sells over there. Take it and see how that goes, right? So if it starts to struggle, losing its momentum, put it on break even, watch it closely, try to manage it, and there should not be any problems. Pound New Zealand, that one's going down already. Okay, we are in the sell. There are still a couple of lower time frame sell stops. Okay, there will be a bunch of sell stops on 15 minute, 5 minute, whatever you're trading, whatever your strategy is. I really don't love to getting into the market or they're in the middle of the structure, but if you do so, if you have the strategy, yes, you can go for it. The price will go at least back at the trend line, and then probably it will go and break outside of the structure. So potential is there. I really don't see any problems that we should not take it. We will take it. We are already in the trade. If there will be more opportunities, we will take, of course, more trades. We will add more trades, of course, right? Okay, so are you guys still with me? Am I going too fast? These are now just my setups, what I'm watching and what I will trade. Of course, some of them are already running trades, some of them it's what I will enter really soon. This webinar is it's recorded, so you can watch it whenever you want. You can watch as well our previous recordings, okay? They are very valuable. There are valuable insights into this webinar. So if you have time, make sure you watch it a couple of times and you will see if you can learn something new from those kind of the webinars. Okay, thank you very much for the confirmation that you are there. Okay, so then let's go forward, right? What else? These are my setups that I will watch. Okay, the rest is not on my watch list, but if you have any chart that you would love me to analyze for you, let me know. Use the live chat, write the pair, and I will add it on my watch list, and we will comment and see what we have over there. Okay, so your yen, this is the chart. I'm already in since yesterday. A very slow chart. I see the potential that the price will go lower. I see at least break of this low, but I think we will have more over there. It will go breaking that much. I mean, it will break those lows. This one. Okay, that's just the classical pullback, and it can go easily back at that low. Pound yen already going. This is my trade since yesterday as well, and we'll see how it goes. Right, there is still potential. If you'll find any lower time frame setups, you can still enter it. And I'm anticipating this one to go lower as well. Okay, so how far? At least back at breaking this low. Okay, this much. From there to there. This is the potential that you can trade. I'm not saying that you should stop trading. You just have to be careful over there at the previous low. So be careful. I will not add more trades probably. This is all what I have currently. No, we don't need to have any in the ending diagonal to confirm trade entry. You don't need to seek for any confirmations. If you have the rule. But yes, we can watch as well for the confirmation. Ending diagonal on lower time frame if you trade that way. Pound cat, same there. I really see that this one will go lower. This is the trade that I'm currently having. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, I think this could be a nice flat to the downside or total reversal. Depends if this will start to reverse. Okay, so daily, if you watch this chart on daily, this is very slow movement over there, and if this one will continue its way to the upside, I really think that we will go for another deep pullback and then it will go more higher. So if I take the sell, I will be cautious, of course, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, anyway, I will have a deeper pullback. Okay, something like that is what we will have if this price will go and push further to the upside. So this is the reason why I'm taking the sell. EuroCAD as well. Okay, I took a sell over there. This movement has to be corrected, so if it drops like this one, that's gonna give us the running flat and then another leg higher. This is how EuroCAD will probably develop over there. Okay, so this is it. This is what I am watching personally currently, and a couple of trades are that I'm already in. We'll hold them, of course. Market it's not moving so fast, and that's the reason why we have to be patient, right? It really helps to me that I'm not in front of my computer, so during this time I'm usually spending my money around in shopping centers, so it helps me to stay patient enough. Spending time in the shops and enjoying my life. Okay guys, so do we have any questions? Please look USD CAD right away. Let's see what the USD CAD is doing. Yeah, this one may go higher, right? That should go up right now. If you are in the trade, great. If not, watch to get into the trade over there, somewhere there. And I think this is a nice potential as well over there, right? So I will go for this trade, but I already have a lot of trades, so I will not add more. But definitely keep an eye over there. Watch it. If you have the strategy how you will trade this movement, go for it. Go for it. It could go very nice. The potential could be all the way back at the previous top, so this is your trade and worth of taking it. Good trade, so keep an eye. And as well, it's good with DXY. Okay, DXY is showing some signs for the upside, and based on that, it will help you to bring the USD CAD higher. If you're in Euro USD, that's great. I'm in Euro USD as well, so that's gonna be a nice trade probably. But who knows? Anything can happen, so we will see. Euro USD, it looks nice to me, so we'll still holding it. Isn't it more profitable to trade at the end of correction pattern to catch the start of impulse movement? There is no right or wrong answer, Richard. It could be more profitable, and it couldn't be. That there are two options as well. It could be profitable, but it doesn't mean so. Sometimes yes, sometimes yes. Depends, right? What are patterns are there just to give us some sense of where to enter, where to place our trade, where to place our stop loss, and to calculate our risk reward ratio. This is why patterns are there, to give you some sense of the direction, to give you some sense of where to take profit, where the chart will turns, and to help you define the risk reward ratio and so on. This is why the patterns are there. But if we will go into details, if we'll discuss patterns into details, patterns really do repeat themselves over and over again, but the outcome of those patterns are not the same. Never, okay? The outcome of any pattern, it's not the same. This is what everyone have to understand. Patterns gives a random outcomes. There's a question, do you come live every day? No, I don't. This is what I don't do anymore. I was doing that before, but currently I'm not doing live there every day. Sometimes I do live, sometimes I don't. Depends what I'm doing and where I am, if I have time. If I have time, then I will make the webinar, of course, that's not a problem, but Is there a sign or rule for the end of a correction patterns? Of course, there are signs. If you watch it closely, you will see that there are always the signs, and of course, you will have to have the rule for this. I can discuss this over there on the general chat. But there are rules, yes. You have to understand how to trade it. You need to have a techniques, how you will get in, based on what you will enter, what will be the reason, and those rules needs to be the same all the time. Okay, always same reasons, same rules. You should not change it, and you have to just keep repeat them. It doesn't matter which pattern it is on or which setup it is. You have to do always the same. Basically what I'm teaching is you have to stop thinking. Okay, so when it comes to the trading, when it comes to the pure trading, you have to stop thinking. When you open the trade, you should not think. You just have to follow the rules, because based on that you will disconnect from your emotions. This is what is very powerful, and this is what you have to understand. Disconnect from your emotions and just trade mechanically. Just follow your rules, and that's all. Okay, if you have the rules, if you backtest it, if you know what you're doing, then you can rely on it and you can completely disconnect from it. Otherwise, you'll have a lot of problems, because you'll be constantly seeking for confirmations. You'll be watching what your friend is trading. You'll be watching what the others are trading. You'll watch what the others are posting, discussing about it, so on. And this will confuse you. You can't trade that way. Everyone needs to have their own unique rules, how to enter, when to enter, why to enter, and rely on it without any information, without any rules. Without any emotion, sorry. Pure rules, pure technical. Trading needs to be pure technical without the emotion. Then you can develop a stable income, a stable money. Okay, I'm constantly generating income from my trading, because I'm completely detached from my emotions. If I will not be, then I won't be able to generate consistent profit across the market. So that will be my big huge problem if I will be making decisions based on my emotions. Because sometimes it happens, even now after all those years, it still happens. When I see some certain money, some certain profit, I still start thinking that should I close it, should I not, should I leave it open? And then I immediately catch myself that I'm thinking. So what I do, I immediately start sticking to my rules, because once I start thinking about taking profit, closing trade break even, so this is my trading error. So what I do, I go and strictly stick to the rules. That's it. It helps me a lot, because otherwise I will be asking my emotions, is this enough money, can this trade go more, la 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 la, and what I will end up with a break-even trade, or what it will be even worse, I will end up with a losing trade. And this will be the trading error, because I let my emotions decide instead of my rules. Okay, so I really want that everyone will understand what I'm trying to say over there, because trading really needs to be easy, right? Without emotions. Always when you will ask yourself, you will be greedy. You will become greedy, and you will catch yourself doing stupid mistakes, right? But I do believe that it happens to everyone, because it happens still to me after all those years of experience. It still happens to me. Okay, so guys, do you have any questions? If not so, then I will end the webinar over there. I'm currently doing some work in the back, and with my traders I'm currently testing something to give my traders a good way of making money to give them a shortcut for the capital to trade. Okay, so this is something that I'm testing in the back, right? And of course we'll update you over there how this will goes. Okay, so till next time, take care, enjoy your time, and of course if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment under the video, especially for those who are watching me on the YouTube. So thank you for joining me today on this webinar. I hope that the information and techniques shared will help achieve your financial freedom. So if you have any questions or would like to learn more about our service, please visit my website tradewithmaster.eu or contact me with the email info@tradewithmaster.eu. Okay, all those links are under the video in the description. So, and remember, the financial markets can be unpredictable, but with the right strategy and techniques, you can maximize your profits and achieve your financial goals. So thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to hearing about your success in the future. So take care, enjoy your day, and see you. Bye bye.